Hi guys, I have a very important news for you guys. Come here. I have earned my first dollars on YouTube. Yes, that's true. And for that, I want you to go through my YouTube journey so that any of you who have started a YouTube channel, an educational YouTube channel, or are planning to start one, it may serve as motivation for them or may support them, so that they know how much it takes to take your channel from scratch to the level where I am standing at the moment. Before saying anything or sharing anything, I want to thank all of my followers, my subscribers, and my family members who have supported me throughout this. So starting with, let me share some stats about my channel. At the moment when I am recording this video, there are around 52 videos uploaded to my channel. And as you know, my channel SHKExcelWorld is about data analysis or data visualization, and specifically targeted for the non-IT persons who may use tools like Excel, like Power BI, and may not be required to learn about some programming languages. So around 52 videos and 1600 plus subscribers at the moment, and there are around 55,000 plus views. And about the public watch time, there are around 250,000 plus minutes or 4,700 hours plus time. And there are around 300 comments, 1,500 plus likes. And the most important thing is that it took around 2 years to get to this level. So I uploaded my first video back in April 2019. And ever since then, I have been continuously, not that regularly, but continuously, I have been uploading videos to my YouTube channel, at least twice a month or thrice a month. So that was the frequency. So stay tuned, as today I will be sharing some facts about my personal life, how I started this channel, what are the new projects on hand, what new you will be going to see on my YouTube channel or some other YouTube channel. And also, you will get a chance to meet all of my crew members, all of my team members who support me in producing these wonderful videos. So stay tuned. Well, I would say it goes back to my childhood, about my love with mathematics and numbers. And when I first used Excel in 2001 and then in 2005 professionally, I realized that I can use the combination of my love with mathematics and numbers with Excel, a software, and maybe I do wonders. Having hopes in an educational channel on YouTube is very difficult when you are surrounded by so many vloggers, successful vloggers, cooking channels, entertainment channels. So it is definitely a difficult thing, but I feel that if you want to come on social media, then you should only do what you are passionate about. Well, I've seen so many YouTube channels on Excel and Power BI and data analysis. I think the unique thing about my channel is that I like the animation a lot. So you would see numbers and captions flying in from outside, from top, bottom, and things like which I couldn't have imagined that I was capable of doing those. Like I was pulling a video from the top and then throwing it out of the video. The fact is that I started off with only my voice being used for preparing or making videos. I was definitely a camera shy, as I never had the experience of facing a camera or creating a video of myself. So this was a very unique experience. First, I did voice job. Then, after I think 30 or 35 videos, I realized that people want to have interaction or uh, want to know their trainer, They want to see him, how the person interacts, how he talks. So then I realized that I should come in front of the camera, and that is when I started coming up in the videos, and you may see me in different videos, in intros, and then all along the videos nowadays. If I say that I know everything, that I will be lying big time. I learned so many new things while preparing videos. In fact, some of the things I learned specifically for preparing video content. So, this is how I am going through the journey of learning. I'm learning myself, and in that journey, I am taking along all of my subscribers and followers. I have so many plans underway. I will be continuing with this channel as this is the first channel which has given me recognition on YouTube. Secondly, uh, I have launched another channel, but that has not yet been made public. Let me talk a little bit about that channel. So all of my videos, which are currently in English on SHKExcelWorld, those will be aired with Urdu dubbing, and I will definitely uh, come in front of the camera with an Urdu or Hindi introduction. So I have already launched the channel, and the name of the channel is SHK Data Samaj. So initially I named it as SHK Excel World Urdu. So I thought, why not create another brand, and let's see the reaction of people. So this is SHK Data Samaj, and currently there are only two videos in it, but the response has been immensely good. The first video was launched in uh, November December last year, 2020. So it is going along nicely, and I hope that I will get to the current level of the English channel much faster with the Urdu version of the channel. I have already started making videos on Power BI. I first learned the Power Pivot, then when the Power BI was launched, this is basically the replica of the Power BI in Excel. So they have made a separate software, which is the Power BI Business Intelligence software. I have started making videos on those, and that will be major part of my content in future as well. And if I got time, I have also plans to learn Python. Maybe I wouldn't get enough time to learn those, but definitely have plans. That is a different question. I'm You may say that I'm a boring little person, but let me show something uh, which I used to do when I'm free. I do not have any content to prepare, and maybe sometimes that I when I do not want to do anything at all. So let us see. So this is something I used to do when before going to the gym. I do a bit of cycling, maybe 3 times a week. And now come on, let me show you my gym. So this is my activity room. I play a bit of table tennis with my children. By the look of it and the dust on it, you can see that I only play 2 to 3 times a week. That's it. And it's the same case with my bodybuilding or my physical fitness things. This is also what I do about 3 to 4 times a week. It's not a lot of weight, but it's good enough for my kind of person. And the last thing which I've just started is I've just started to learn the Rubik's Cube. I can solve the 3 by 3 and I can solve the 5 by 5 as well. Let me show you. So guys, you can see that this is pretty much scrambled. This is a 3 by 3 cube, and I will try to solve it as fast as possible. but I'm not that efficient, so I will speed up the video. So I'm going to solve it now. First layer solved. Second layer solved. Last step. Solved. So guys, this is now a 5 by 5 cube. I'm going to solve it now. Now all of the sides and edges have been solved. Now I'm going to solve this just like a 3 by 3 cube. Last layer left. Rest have been solved. Solved. So guys, now is the time you have been waiting for. I'm going to let you meet with all of my team members and queue members, and you will see how efficient they are in their working and how much effort they put in making my videos successful. So let us meet them. Let us first meet our cameraman. Here is. Okay, a little bit to the left. Now that's fine. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Well, looks like he is too much busy in making videos or setting up for the next video. So leave him. Let us go and meet our editor who used to edit videos for us. He is very good, as you can see from the animations in my video. So let us go and meet him. Now, there is our video editor. busy in making up muscles. Maybe these are required for editing long videos. And now let us meet our scriptwriter. You can see how fluently I talk in English sometimes, but he is the one who writes all the script for me. Look at him. Still snatching some ideas from the air, I think. Okay, let us go and meet the last but not the least person is our producer who is busy with some money thing, I think. I'm not gonna pay you even a single penny. Sorry, sir. I think we have made him annoyed.
Keep watching SHKExcelWorld.
So guys, this was my team who put in a lot of effort to make my videos successful, and you will see that it's pretty me everywhere. But this may change if you keep giving your love to me and keep following my channel, and maybe one day I will hire someone who is an expert cameraman or an expert scriptwriter maybe. But then nevertheless, the last thing I want to show you is my studio. So here is my studio. And I have barely recorded any video in it. The reason is that I have just set up yesterday. Let me know in the comments below if you like my studio, and maybe I will tell you when I first record my video on this. So guys, I hope you must have liked this video. If you do like, then give it a big thumbs up. And also share this video with all of your friends and colleagues who have just started with their YouTube channel. And please, all of those who have just started to make videos and want to have their YouTube channel monetized, please have patience and do not forget to make content on regular basis. Stay safe and do not forget to subscribe.